What's up, YouTube? Jay Traveling here. Quick video today. Just want to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum mainly. Maybe a couple other coins. The ones that I mine pretty much. But Bitcoin broke its record as 52K at the time of making this video, which is 9:46 a.m. on the East Coast in the United States, so Eastern time. And Ethereum hit 1900. So a majority of my stake is in Ethereum. That's mainly what I mine. I do mine Ravencoin also, so we'll look at that in a minute. But Bitcoin hitting 52K, Ethereum at 1900. Personally, I don't think it's going to stop there. I think it's going to keep growing in the upcoming months, in the short term. But you really never know. Obviously, I'm not giving financial advice. I don't think you should go out and just buy a ton of Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to invest, I don't think it's a bad thing to do. But obviously, there's risk involved with every investment that you make. But these are just still going crazy right now. It's hard to believe that it's still going up. Ethereum, when I first started mining, this was like $175 a coin. I did sell some to build my 5600 XT rig that I built a few months ago. So I did sell some Ethereum then to pay for that. In hindsight, it made sense. Now, obviously, seeing what it went up to, I'd have a lot more than that. So I think I sold a little over 3 coins at the time to pay for that rig. Now I only had to sell 1 and still could have kept 2. But also at this time, you also have to remember GPUs really aren't in stock very well. At that time, I was able to buy 4 GPUs from Amazon and 2 from Newegg, pretty readily available. They were under $300 each at the time. So I ended up paying a lot less for that rig than I would now. If I were to turn around and try and sell that rig right now, I could probably almost double my money on what I paid for the cards. You also can see down here Dogecoin at half a penny. Or at 5 cents pretty much. I know that people were trying to pump that up to $1 at one point, but I don't think that really worked out too well. But if we look at let's check Ravencoin real quick. So Ravencoin is trading at, actually I checked this last night, it was trading at 7.7 cents. Now it's 9.2 cents in US dollars. So it looks like it's spiked up even more. So I do mine this with my P106 90 rig. So actually, let's check what to mine here. So if we go to what to mine, and I have, what I say, they're 1060s pretty much. They even have them. There they are. So I have 60s on here. So I was getting roughly, I think, 130, we'll just say 130 mega hash on Ethash, but on Copal I'm getting 34. This was at like 480, I think, and then this was at like 520. It was a little more powerful. I don't know. So let's see which one. I don't look at these because I didn't benchmark those, so I just want to look at. So on Ravencoin, which is what it's mining right now, I'm looking at a $3.73 profit a day. And even Ethereum Classic would even be 260. And that's trading at 15.13 right now. So even with that trading, looks like Ravencoin's still my more profitable one, which is what I'm doing. Let's see what they say for Ethereum Classic here. So yeah, 15.11. is what they're saying. So, I mean, even that is up. You can see the spike down here of the cryptocurrencies back in January before it all started. You can see it wasn't really doing too much, and now it's just been on a pretty much climb. So if we look at pretty much all of them, you can see the same trend down here of just like a crazy spike. So I think it's going to keep going up. I think the price is just going to hopefully gradually go higher and higher and higher. But, obviously time will tell. I mean, as far as the cryptocurrency miners, I mean, more people are getting into it because of the pricing and how profitable it is. I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to keep doing it for now, and then hopefully grow my farm a little bit more. I know I have to give you guys an update on that. Not much has changed on it recently, but the pricing of it is just really getting up there. I never thought this, at least like this soon, didn't think I was going to see prices like this. I always thought gradually over time with inflation, things like that, the prices of cryptocurrencies will kind of follow the stock market, how they slowly, gradually get more and more and more. Even though you see the big swings of ups and downs throughout the time in real time. But you'll see, I think Ethereum, I know they're going to 2.0 and eventually it's probably going to be unminable again, or at least unminable. And then they're going to go to staking. When it comes more limited, that might actually help increase the price, at least in the short term, possibly. Bitcoin's just always been the dominant. I just see that going up. I know some specialists are thinking it's going to hit 500K, but in the next 2 years, I think they're saying. I don't know if I would buy into that. 100K may be reasonable, but 500K, that's a big, big jump. But I know there's a lot of big players, banks, even Elon Musk dumping 1.5 billion into Bitcoin. It's helping increase the price, and a lot of these finance guys see that big players are starting to invest in cryptocurrency, so it'll persuade them more to invest in them, which will help us as miners because that'll inflate the price some, because the demand's going to go up, but the supply is still going to stay the same. So it'll help increase the price and help our mining rigs become more, profitable. But I just want to give you guys an update and share my thoughts on Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other coins, and the crazy times that we're in of it just spiking like this. But thanks for checking this video out. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more.